Hi, I'm Stephen Saxton. I'm the project manager for the Gateshead District Energy Scheme. The Gateshead District Energy Scheme is for Gateshead Council, and it's an energy scheme that seeks to provide low-cost energy to businesses, social housing and a number of other people within the town centre within Gateshead. When we go out and start projects like this, we tend to get energy data from people, which generally comes from their energy bills. Gateshead has done an awful lot of work in which to help get this information. But what we do is in the early stages of a project, we have to go back and validate that information. And essentially we take everyone's energy data and we build a profile that shows how that energy goes up and down with the different seasons. And that enables us to take it and feed it through our technical modelling processes in which to really optimise the plant selections and make sure that the energy centre and the scheme itself is both right for the current needs of the town centre, but also provides future-proofing so that as the development of the area and the Baltic Business Quarter expands, as it will do now that market conditions are growing, they can come back and add new clients onto there and essentially increase the low carbon technology and reduce people's energy bills. One of the ways where we have seen BIM to be very successful, where we've had feedback from Gateshead Council, whereby in design meetings we've sat there as a team and been able to highlight issues with the scheme and also sit down and work through a number of different solutions. We can stand at any point in the building, we can see everything within the space. Because of the myriad and a number of array of services, it's very difficult for people to understand just how congested these spaces are. Essentially, it's a process building, it's an industrial building, there's lots going on, and that information is very difficult in which to put down in a 2D form. From a planning perspective, it's incredibly important for us to ensure that the planning submission shows how the building is going to look, and the BIM model was instrumental in both providing a visualisation of the building in its context and its surroundings, but also in terms of communicating the benefit and the number of different services that sat both within inside the building and also on the roof. Another piece of emerging software that we're using on this particular project is an online defects and management system. And what that does is allows the construction team and the client team to pinpoint defects as they wander around site and very quickly upload that along with photos, notes on the drawings. And that's all captured within a database which will create a number of different reports. So it's a very quick way of understanding where the project is, signing off different parts of it, and also allowing everyone with iPhones, iPads, those types of mobile devices where they're out in the field and they just need to quickly upload something to show someone that something's not right. Councils and private organisations are now understanding the benefits of district heating and community energy schemes, which in part is driven by planning, legislation, energy policy. And so a number of these schemes are being undertaken at this moment in time. We feel that Gateshead is certainly setting the standard in terms of the digital tools which it's used both during the life stages of design and also how the software and the building modelling will be used by the client in its operation and maintenance.